All right, guys, here's the video to determine the winner of the Aaron Rodgers autograph at the signing coming up in 2 weeks through Steiner. We will check the time here is March 5th at, we'll let this roll over here, to 6:56 p.m. We're going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have March 5th at 6:56 p.m. Here's the list of our 25 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. 7 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Kevin. Spot 7 is your winner. So, Kevin, please get with me to let me know what you want to have signed by Rodgers. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, March 5th at 6:56 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.